Starting a small business with limited funds may seem like a daunting task, but with careful planning and creativity, it is absolutely possible. In this video, we are sharing how to start a small business with limited budget. Step 1. Bootstrap wisely. Maximize every penny of your limited budget by minimizing unnecessary expenses from the start. Consider working from home instead of renting office space, or finding cost-effective alternatives for equipment and technology requirements. Step 2. Seek out funding alternatives. Research potential financing options that are suitable for small businesses. Consider microloans, crowdfunding platforms, or government grants tailored to your industry. A well-prepared business plan and proof of concept can significantly increase your chances of securing financial support. Step 3. Optimize operational expenses. Examine all possible avenues to save money while setting up the operation of your business. Explore co-working spaces instead of renting traditional office space. Lease equipment instead of buying it outright. Negotiate better deals with suppliers by purchasing in bulk. Consider outsourcing non-essential tasks rather than hiring full-time staff initially. Seek out partnerships or collaborations within your industry where both parties can benefit from shared exposure with minimum financial investment required. Step 4. Focus on excellent customer service. Outstanding customer service can set your small business apart from competitors without requiring significant financial resources. Invest time in training yourself or your team to effectively communicate with customers, understand their needs, and build long-term relationships that generate positive word-of-mouth marketing. Step 5. Utilize low-cost marketing techniques. In today's digital age, there are countless affordable marketing options available, such as social media platforms where you can create compelling content to attract potential customers organically without spending much on paid advertising campaigns. Step 6. Leverage social media platforms. Establishing an online presence through social media channels is essential in today's digital era and offers tremendous potential for reaching customers cost-effectively. Utilize free platforms like Facebook pages or Instagram profiles initially before investing in paid advertising options later on. Step 7. Keep an eye on cash flow. Strictly monitor your expenses and cash flow to ensure you don't overspend or run into financial difficulties unexpectedly. Implement budgeting strategies, negotiate favorable payment terms with suppliers, and maintain a lean inventory to optimize your limited resources effectively. Step 8. Maintain strict financial discipline. Consistently track all expenses and revenues, ensuring every penny is accounted for. Set a realistic budget and regularly monitor it to identify areas where you can cut costs or reallocate resources more effectively. Step 9. Outsource non-essential tasks. Delegate time-consuming yet non-core functions such as accounting, bookkeeping if hiring a full-time employee is not feasible. Many freelancers or contractors offer these services at competitive rates. And Step 10. Create a solid business plan. Outline your goals, target audience, market strategies, financial projections, and operational details in your business plan. This will serve as a roadmap for the growth of your venture. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos.